Hello, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today. We're going to be talking about Credential Manager. You can use a Credential Manager to save the password for a network account. Credential Manager allows users to save the usernames and password for remote systems. This avoids the requirement for users to remember many passwords on a peer-to-peer network. In a domain-based network, this is not required because the domain account can be used to access resources on all computers in the domain. In this video, we will enter a user account into a Credential Manager. So, to start off, if necessary, please turn your computer on and log on. And after that, you will go down to the Start button, and you will right-click Computer, and you'll click Manage, and it'll pull this up, and we'll click Yes to allow that. Okay. In the left pane, we're going to expand local users and groups. So there's local users right here, which is administrator, the black eyes, the guest, and then the home group. Those are the users, and then you got groups, which are administrators, backup operators, guests, network configurations, performance, power users, replicators, users, home users, everything that uses the network. We're going to right-click users and then click new user. So right-click users and click new user. And in the username and full name boxes, we're going to type work group user. So we're going to be work group user. Work group user. And the password. We're going to type in password. Okay, now we got that. We're going to deselect user must change password at next login. This user account will be shared by multiple users to access this computer. Therefore, you do not want the password to change automatically because people will forget and won't know how to get in. It'll be a mess. So we're going to select the user cannot change password. User cannot change password. If the account is shared by multiple users, you also do not want any users to change the password. We're going to select the password never expires. So we also check password never expires. And then we're going to click create. After this user is created, it can also be used to log on to the local computer, not just access network resources. So we're going to click close to close the new user dialog box. So we close that box now. Now we're going to close computer management to exit out of computer management. We're going to click the start button again. We're going to go back down here. And we're going to go to control panel. And we're going to click user accounts and family safety. So we'll click user accounts and family safety. And we're going to click user accounts on the top. And in the left pane, we're going to click manage your credentials right here on the top. So it pulls up this. Okay. This option allows you to configure passwords that are required for remote computers. So next to Windows credentials, we're going to click the add a Windows credential. So add a Windows credential. Okay. Link to begin adding a new account. So in the internet or network address box, we're going to type the name of your partner's computer. So we'll just put let's see here. We'll just put someone's name. We'll just put Bob in there for short, and we'll go. And then for the in the username box, we're going to type what we did before, because that's what we called it: work group user. And then in the password box, we're going to type the password, which was password. So we're going to click OK. Okay, so now whenever you access your partner's computer, Windows 7 uses the credentials you just entered. This allows you to specify different usernames and passwords than a local account you are currently logged on as. So this basically is it makes it to where like many people can have different accounts with different passwords instead of just having a guest. It's just like you having debit cards. Everyone has their own PIN number for their card. This is just like everyone has their own account, but it's all on the same system. The hard drive memorizes this person as this password. So that's how that manages it. And all the files, like everything saved on the hard drive, like games wise, will be on that person's account, but certain files will only be on one person's account. So that's Credential Manager, how you can manage different accounts with different passwords. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you.